I warned you about the link dip right here on Friday, and this is my next link's price prediction. Obviously, this video is not financial advice. Longs, a lot of longs got closed, liquidated 1.2 right here, 1.2 million tokens, which is $20 million, $25 million. And now shorts are closing. We see VWAP curving up on the daily chart. You can see this graphing going up. So in the next few days, I predict upward movement. In my opinion, we have bullish bias, 1 to 3 days of green candles. That's basically how I'm planning to play out. Link, let me know your thoughts though in the comment section down below. The curvature is good. We have a good angle on the volume, so I'm gonna be very happy in taking some profits to the upside. We're up to 174 grand on meme coins, in general on VOOX. If you want to follow my trades, use the links in the description down below, and there's also a link to my course. See you next video.